How to block websites on Google Chrome. Hey guys, welcome. In this quick tutorial, let me show you how you can block websites on Google Chrome. So let's get into it. First of all, what you're going to do is you can actually go to your web browser and search for a website known as NextDNS. This one right here, nextdns.io, and it will take you right here. So you just need to create an account here. What you can do is click on try it out now. Once you click on try it out now, it will allow you to paste a link that you want to block. This works for Chrome and you will be able to block ads and more. So you can see here we have profile, you can see setup, security, privacy, and parent control. And then we have denial list here. So you have to go to denial list within your NextDNS. Denying a domain will automatically deny all its subdomains. So this is how we block a website or a domain. So all you need to do is just enter a domain here. For instance, I want to maybe deny. Once done, click on done here. Click on deny and the domain will be blocked from your Chrome. This is how we block websites on our Google Chrome. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.